Millions of women toss a spoonful of ground flax into smoothies thinking it's a simple fix for mood swings and hot flashes. But the truth is more complicated. Some women swear by flax for smoother cycles and fewer menopausal symptoms, while others report tiredness, cold intolerance, or weird lab results after eating lots of it. Which story is right? Today you'll get a clear, practical answer. When flax can help hormones and when it might pose a risk to your thyroid. First, I'll cut through the headlines and show what the research really says, using easy language and real-life examples you can relate to. Here's the short version. Flaxseed is packed with tiny plant compounds, called lignans, and omega-3s that can act like very weak estrogen, useful for easing hot flashes or balancing cycles for some women. But in certain situations, especially if you have low iodine, a sensitive thyroid, or you take thyroid medication, flax can interfere with thyroid function or medication absorption if used improperly. You'll learn the key details in plain terms, plus one simple daily plan. How much flax is usually safe, the best form to eat it in, how to time it around thyroid meds, and small swaps to try in your breakfast or salad. First, I'll also share a quick real-world example of a woman who cut her hot flashes in half, and another who avoided a thyroid problem by adjusting timing and iodine. Stick around for the practical checklist and 1-minute routine you can try tomorrow. And if you have thyroid meds, don't miss the timing tip at the end. 1. Why flax seeds are called a female superfood. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of lignans and alpha-linolenic acid, ELA, nutrients that interact with hormones and inflammation in ways especially relevant to women's health. Many women juggle unpredictable cycles, menopausal hot flashes, stubborn belly fat, or high cholesterol, and searching for gentle dietary strategies is common. Conventional approaches can feel heavy-handed, so a small, everyday seed that touches digestion, estrogen activity, and heart health at once has real appeal. The solution lies in 3 simple components working together. Lignans and flaxseed act like weak, plant-based estrogens once gut bacteria convert them into enterolignans. This means they can nudge estrogen activity up or down rather than switch it on full blast. ALA, the plant omega-3 fat in flax, supports lower inflammation and may help mood and joint comfort. And the fiber, both soluble and insoluble, improves bowel regularity and helps the body excrete excess hormones instead of recycling them back into the system. Put these pieces together and flax becomes a food that supports both hormonal rhythm and the system's hormones rely on. Digging into the details makes the picture clearer. Whole flax seeds often pass through the digestive tract intact, so grinding releases the nutrients your body can use. When gut microbes transform lignans into enterolignans, those compounds can bind to estrogen receptors, potentially softening high estrogen effects or mildly supplementing estrogenic activity when levels are low. The fiber creates bulk and feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which is important because a healthy microbiome influences hormone recycling. ELA doesn't convert to the long-chain omega-3s as efficiently as fish oil, but it still provides anti-inflammatory support that many women notice in reduced joint stiffness or steadier moods. Clinical research and patient reports point to modest improvements in cholesterol and menopausal symptoms for some women. Nothing miraculous, but meaningful when paired with other healthy habits. Practical integration is easy and fits into daily life. A common serving is 1 to 2 tablespoons of freshly ground flaxseed added to breakfast. Stir it into yogurt, blend it into a smoothie, sprinkle it over oatmeal, or mix it into pancake batter. You can make a simple flax egg by combining ground flax with water as a vegan binder in baking. Flaxseed oil is another way to use the fat-rich part, but don't heat it. Drizzle it into salads or mix it into hummus. Store ground flax in the refrigerator to keep it from going rancid, and start with a small amount to let your digestive system adjust. Try a 1-week experiment. Add a tablespoon of ground flax to your morning routine and note changes in energy, digestion, cycle symptoms, or sleep. Keep a simple diary and share your observations with a healthcare provider, especially if you're taking medications or have specific hormonal conditions. Small, consistent swaps often lead to the clearest signals, and flaxseed is a low-effort, science-backed way many women find helpful for supporting balanced hormones and overall well-being. 2. How lignans support hormone balance. Many women notice cycles of mood swings, bloating, heavy periods, or troublesome hot flashes when their estrogen balance shifts. These symptoms often stem from how the body produces, uses, and clears estrogens. Small changes in that system can feel large in everyday life. Lignans, plant compounds concentrated in flaxseed, act inside that hormonal system in ways that can ease those swings for some women. Flaxseed contains secoisolarisuresinol diglucoside, SDG, which gut bacteria convert into the active forms called interrodiol and interlactone. Those metabolites are plant-derived estrogens, phytoestrogens, that are much weaker than the body's own estrogens. Because they are weaker, they can occupy estrogen receptors without triggering the same strong effects, and in doing so they often blunt excessive estrogen activity. In a low estrogen state, they can give a mild estrogenic signal. In a high estrogen state, they can act more like a blocker. This dual behavior helps explain why some women report softer PMS symptoms or fewer night sweats after adding flax into their routine. Beyond simply occupying receptors, these compounds influence how estrogen is processed. Enterolignans can steer estrogen metabolism toward less active breakdown products and may affect circulating carriers like sex hormone-binding globulin, SHBG, which determines how much free hormone is available to tissues. The gut's role is central. If the intestinal microbes that perform the conversion are less active, for example after antibiotics or with low microbial diversity, the benefits are reduced. That's why whole, unchewed seeds often pass through undigested. The lignans inside rarely reach the bacteria. Grinding the seeds releases the SDG so the conversion can occur. Put this into practice in simple ways. Use freshly ground flax stirred into yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie so the body can access those lignans. Try a spoonful sprinkled on cereal or folded into pancake batter. Pairing flax with a varied, fiber-rich diet supports the gut bacteria that do the conversion, and tracking symptoms across a couple of menstrual cycles makes it easier to notice changes. If you're using hormonal medications or have specific endocrine conditions, check in with a clinician before making it a regular habit. They can help you interpret effects and adjust treatments if needed. If you'd like to see whether lignans help you, start by adding ground flax to one daily meal. Note any shifts in cramps, mood swings, menstrual flow, or hot flashes, and discuss observations with your healthcare provider. Small, consistent changes often reveal whether this gentle, plant-based support fits into your personal hormone balancing plan. 3. Benefits for menopause, PCOS, and cycle regularity. 4. Potential thyroid concerns and latest research. Hot flashes, irregular bleeding, and the heavy hair and skin effects of hormone swings push many women toward dietary fixes. Flax seeds show up on lists because they pack lignans, plant compounds that the gut turns into enterolignans, alpha-linolenic acid, YLA, a plant omega-3, and a lot of fiber, a combination that influences estrogen activity, inflammation, and gut elimination. For someone going through menopause or struggling with PCOS, those 3 actions can actually address real, everyday symptoms rather than just offering vague health claims. Women in menopause often report fewer and less intense hot flashes after adding ground flaxseed to their diet. The likely reason is that lignans act like weak, selective estrogens. They can mildly mimic estrogen where levels are low and compete with stronger estrogens where levels are high. That softer hormonal nudge seems to blunt the sharp estrogen dips that trigger hot flashes. At the same time, the fiber in flax helps bind excess estrogens in the gut so they leave the body instead of recirculating. For cycle problems tied to PCOS, there are practical benefits too. Flax's ALA and fiber support metabolic health. They help reduce inflammation and can improve insulin sensitivity for some women, which in turn can lower excess androgen production and make menstrual cycles more regular. Many women describe reduced acne and more predictable periods after consistent use, especially when flaxseed is paired with broader lifestyle steps like improving sleep and reducing refined carbs. The mechanisms matter because they explain why results vary. Lignans convert to interrodiol and interlactone by gut bacteria. If your microbiome is altered by antibiotics, low-fiber diet, or stress, you may not get the same effect. Likewise, the ALA in flax is a precursor to longer-chain omega-3s, but conversion is limited in humans, so flax's anti-inflammatory benefit is gentle, not equivalent to fish oil. Evidence from clinical research is promising but not definitive, Some trials and reviews report improvements in hot flash frequency or menstrual regularity, while others find only modest or no change. Recent research emphasizes that most human studies are small or short-term, so scientists call flaxseed an appealing, low-risk option rather than a guaranteed cure. If you want to try flaxseed without guessing, practical steps reduce risk and boost benefit. Always use ground flaxseed. Whole seeds often pass through undigested. A common, sensible serving is 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground seed per day. Mix it into yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or homemade energy bars. Try swapping a tablespoon into pancake batter or sprinkling it on a salad. It thickens and adds a nutty flavor. For women taking thyroid medication, time matters. The high fiber can bind drugs and reduce absorption, so take thyroid pills well before eating flax or wait a few hours after dosing. Also note that if you have iodine deficiency or established thyroid disease, discuss flax with your clinician first. There's limited evidence from animal studies suggesting flax components could affect thyroid hormones under iodine-poor conditions, but human data are sparse. The practical takeaway is caution, not alarm. Start small, observe, and adjust. Keep a simple log of hot flashes, cycle length, mood, and any digestive changes for 8 to 12 weeks. If symptoms improve and there are no adverse effects, flax can stay in your routine as part of a balanced diet. But if you're on blood thinners, thyroid medication, or have known thyroid dysfunction, check with your healthcare provider before making flax a daily staple. Try it as an experiment. 1 tablespoon a day, ground and mixed into a food you already enjoy, monitor changes, and then decide whether to continue. 5. Safe dosage and best ways to consume. Confusion about how much flaxseed is safe and how to eat it often keeps many women from trying a food that can be useful in modest amounts. A practical rule used by nutritionists is simple. Limit ground flaxseed to about 1-2 tablespoons per day for most adults, and if using flaxseed oil, keep it to roughly 1 tablespoon daily. These amounts deliver lignans and ALA, plant omega-3, without pushing fiber or bioactive compounds to extreme levels. The fastest way to get benefits is to use ground seeds, not whole. Whole seeds often pass through the gut undigested, so grinding unlocks the nutrients. If you prefer oil for its concentrated omega-3 content, remember that oil provides fats, but none of the fiber or lignans found in the whole or ground seed. For binding and baking as an egg substitute, mix about 1 tablespoon of ground flax with 2-3 tablespoons of water and let it sit until gelatinous. The result replaces 1 egg in many recipes. There are important details to keep in mind. Ground flaxseed is high in fiber and absorbs liquid, so increase water intake when you increase flax. If you take levothyroxine or other thyroid medications, take the medication at least 1 hour before eating flax or wait 4 hours afterward to avoid reduced absorption. People on blood thinners or antiplatelet medications should check with their clinician because flax's ALA and other compounds can have mild effects on clotting. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should discuss flax in their diet with a healthcare provider. Moderate culinary amounts are commonly considered safe, but therapeutic or very large doses should be avoided without medical advice. Make it practical and simple to integrate into daily life. Start small. Try 1 teaspoon per day for a week, then move to 1 tablespoon. Breakfast smoothies take only a second. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax to yogurt, milk, or a fruit blend. Stir a tablespoon into oatmeal or cottage cheese. Sprinkle it over salads or mix a spoonful into a savory dressing or hummus. Swap a tablespoon into pancake or muffin batter or use the flax egg in baking. Store whole seeds in a cool, dark pantry and keep ground flax in the refrigerator or freezer to protect the oils from rancidity. Use ground seed within a few weeks for best freshness. Try a simple experiment. For 7 days, include 1 tablespoon of ground flax in your morning routine and track digestion, energy, and any changes in medication timing. If you notice interference with meds, digestive upset, or have thyroid concerns, pause and consult your clinician. Small, consistent steps and clear communication with your healthcare provider are the safest way to add flaxseed into a woman's diet. 6. Simple recipes and daily integration tips. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed brings a surprising nutritional punch. Fiber for digestion, plant-based omega-3s, ALA, for heart and inflammation support, and lignans, plant compounds that interact with hormones. Many women want these benefits, but worry about gritty texture, bland taste, or possible interactions with thyroid medication. Small barriers, like not knowing how to use ground flax or when to take it relative to meds, easily stop people from trying something simple and healthy. A quick fix is to fold flaxseed into foods you already eat. Blend 1 tablespoon of ground flax into a morning smoothie with banana, spinach, and milk or a milk alternative. It disappears and thickens the drink. Stir a tablespoon into yogurt or cottage cheese and top with berries for a fast snack. Make overnight oats by combining 1/2 cup oats, 3/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, and a drizzle of honey. Refrigerate overnight and grab it on the way out the door. Replace an egg in baking with a flax egg, 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 3 tablespoons water, sit 5 minutes. To make muffins or pancakes moist and plant-forward. For savory meals, whisk 1 tablespoon flaxseed oil into a lemon mustard dressing for salad. Use the oil cold and add the ground seed as a crunchy topping on roasted vegetables or soups. Practical details matter. Whole flax seeds can pass through the gut intact, so buy them ground or grind them at home with a coffee grinder or spice mill to unlock the nutrients. Ground flax oxidizes faster. Keep it in an airtight container in the fridge and use it within a few weeks for best flavor. Flaxseed oil is fragile and should not be used for high-heat cooking. Save it for dressings, dips, or a finishing drizzle. If you take thyroid medication, space flaxseed and other high-fiber foods away from your dose. Aim for at least 3-4 hours between taking levothyroxine and consuming a flax-rich meal, and always follow your clinician's specific guidance. Make integration effortless with small routines. Prep single-serve jars of 1-2 tablespoons of ground flax in the fridge so you can sprinkle one on breakfast cereal or into your smoothie. Keep a tiny shaker bottle in your bag to add to coffee shop yogurt or salads. Bake a batch of flax-enhanced granola bars. Mix oats, nut butter, a tablespoon or 2 of ground flax, a sweetener like honey or maple, and bake until set. Then freeze portions for hectic mornings. Try swapping 1 tablespoon into recipes you already make rather than changing your whole menu. Consistent small servings are easier to maintain than big, infrequent doses. Start simple. Aim for 1 tablespoon daily for a week and notice changes in digestion, satiety, or energy. If you have thyroid concerns, discuss the timing and amount with your healthcare provider before making flaxseed a daily habit. Pick 1 recipe from above, make it today, and see how easily flax can slide into your routine without fuss. Before you toss that tablespoon of flax into your morning smoothie, here's what really matters. Flax seeds can be a gentle helper for many women. They're rich in plant lignans and omega-3s that may ease hot flashes and support healthy hormones. But they aren't magic, and they can affect thyroid function in some people, especially if you're low on iodine or taking thyroid medicine. Quick recap of key points. Flax can help with hormone balance for some. Ground flax is absorbed better than whole. Aim for a modest dose, about 1 tablespoon daily to start, up to 1-2. And if you have thyroid disease or take levothyroxine, talk to your doctor and separate flax from your medication by a few hours. Watch your labs and symptoms. That's how you'll know if it's doing more good than harm. First, get how confusing this can feel. You're trying to balance energy, moods, and lab numbers while juggling life. Think small, practical steps. Stir a tablespoon of ground flax into yogurt, oatmeal, or a smoothie, or mix it into muffin batter once a week. Start low. Keep it consistent for a month and notice changes in sleep, mood, skin, or menstrual symptoms. If you're on thyroid meds, bring this up at your next appointment so labs can be monitored. If this helped, leave a comment with your flax experience, hit like, and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming videos. We'll share simple recipes, a guide to thyroid-safe flax routines, and interviews with nutrition and endocrinology experts. Take care of yourself, listen to your body, and we'll see you in the next one.